This is a story about life, about struggle, about success. Not just mine, but yours too. Because whether you see it now or not, we're all trading something every single day. Time, energy, choices. That's life. That's trading. I wasn't always here. I wasn't always the guy you see on your screen. I started out just like most people, uncertain, broke, doubting the system, doubting myself. But one thing kept me going, the belief that life's biggest opportunities aren't given, they're taken, and I took mine. See, trading isn't just about charts, candles, or currencies. It's about discipline, patience, and the courage to bet on yourself. It's about understanding that every loss is a lesson and every win is a stepping stone. It's about the grind, the sleepless nights, the early mornings, and that voice in your head telling you to keep going when the rest of the world says stop. But let me tell you something. This journey didn't start with success. It started with failure. More failures than I can count. I remember sitting in front of my screen, watching the markets eat me alive, thinking maybe this isn't for me. But deep down, I knew it wasn't about the markets. It was about me. My mindset. My choices. My willingness to adapt, to learn, and to grow. The truth is, trading is a mirror. It shows you who you really are. It forces you to face your fears, your doubts, and your limits. But it also shows you your potential if you're brave enough to see it. I'm here now because I refuse to quit. Because I learned to see every loss as a stepping stone, every setback as a setup for a comeback. And if there's one thing I want you to take away from this, it's this. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be persistent. Success isn't about getting it right all the time. It's about staying in the game long enough to win. This isn't just a stream. This is a movement. A space where we don't just talk about markets. We talk about life, about growth, about becoming the best version of yourself, not just as a trader, but as a person. Because the truth is, the charts don't care about you, but this community does. I do. And together, we're gonna rise. So, take a deep breath, clear your mind, and get ready. This is where traders are made. This is where dreams are built. And this is where your story begins. Let's get it.
What's the deal? What's up, everybody? How we doing? Let's give it two how you doings. How you doing? How you doing? Alright, we just had news, huh? So, let's hit a Forex factory for some misinformation. Wow. 77K, bad numbers. Gold should be moving up, should be flying, should be lifting off here. Wow, look at that heavy push. Insane in the membrane. Insane in the brain. Yeah, well, ain't shit going on here, right? We're just still ranging, so let's drop our ranges. Let's see if we can agree on something. Like a level here. Okay, perfect. This are our levels here. Oh wait, hold on. We can adjust this a bit. It's a new level. And yeah, I think that's fine. Very simple here. We've pushed up. We've had a range 2 break. We keep having range 2 breakouts in opposite directions, which means it's a higher time frame range. But if we were to look at the levels within the ranges, we could say range 1, range 2, and anything below here would be a range 2 breakout for us to finish the range out here. So we would need this to happen. Number 1. Number 2, as of right now, this is untradeable. We can trade, or as of this moment, we can trade the drive back up, the push back up above here. I want to say this is untradeable too. I'm gonna look at another time frame here. Hmm. Yeah, you know what? Based on the smaller time frame here, I would say this is untradeable too for now. We can't be in here. Yeah. So I would need that closure below, like we just spoke about, right? We need this to happen, or we would need to bounce off this area, hold that as a support. If we can hold this as a support, if we have a drive into these areas, yeah, I'm looking for buys. So I would need a closure outside these red areas. Any kind of closure outside those red areas here is tradable. Here is tradable. All tradable. Need price to make it into those areas first, as I think we are about to do. So decision making time. It's got to close outside the range. It's got to leave range for us in the shape of a bottom wick here. And it's the next candle is going to need to open up with a top wick. That did not close below. That closed right on the dot. Yeah. It's tough because the previous 1 hour closed bullish, right? So if this starts rejecting here coming up, the 1 hour could flip up. So I need a closure below here. That wasn't it. More candles to print. Gotta wait for that closure. Once it prints a closure, I will look to take some positions. Light candle on the 15. Right, the previous two 15-minute candles broke below here and had a chance to come down and they didn't. Maybe now we've grabbed more orders, created a top wick here for that previous 15. So we'll see. Can you lock my mic on Zoom because I'm working? I don't want to mistakenly unmute myself. I mean, yeah, if I have an issue with it, I'll mute it. We don't have any more news. Yes, we do. 10 a.m. 10 a.m. red folder. The beige book. Ooh, the hell's the beige book? The green book and the blue book. Okay. Awesome. Why is the red zone not tradable? Because we're in a range 2. We need a range 2 breakout. I can't trade in range 2. I can have a range 2 breakout and then a break back into range 2. But for now, that range is untradeable. This 4 hour wanted to flip and drive so many times. If we keep tapping the lows, it should drive through, right? I mean, yeah, the more often you hit it, right, the likelier you are to break through on every single following time. Because you're clearing out orders and more orders and more orders, right? And if they keep failing to drive in the other direction, not enough orders, you're gonna keep going down. There's the flipski. Flippity pippity pop. There we go. Five's gonna close here in 30 seconds. I'll take this off the 5. This is good volume if we can pull back. Well, sucks if you were buying off the news. That's not that steep of a drop. 50 pips. I'm gonna take a sell right here. That's a bit late. Try to take a sell off the top wick. A bit late, but still got in there. Alright, I'm gonna close full right there. Just closed full. 23 pips. Sorry, we got in a sell off the beginning of that candle. So 2 positions, 23 pips total. Congrats. W. I didn't even have a chance to put it down on here. I was trying to get in off the 5 top wick here, but it happened really fast. My entry was a bit down here. It was a bit more further down. Ended up being here. It's alright though. I told you guys I'm going to look to take this off the 5 if we get a nice bottom wick on the 5, so you should have been locked in. W, no drawdown, just closed. We'll look for a higher time frame closure now. Maybe a 15 or a 30. Right? Yep, win number 122 in a row. All right, I would expect a steeper pullback up now, because this is where we just took the trade off of, and now it's come back all the way to that level. Yep, a 5 ended up flipping here. Yep. $2. Thank you, Hank. Traded Asian with Eddie. I'm pipped out. Daily royalty. Nice. Eddie had a good stream last night. Asian was great last night, yeah. I got to the charts like 5 minutes late to a position, and I wasn't gonna settle. Like the top wick already played out. I was like, Guess I'm just gonna skip out on Asian. I was literally maybe like 5 minutes late to the charts. I wasn't late to the chart. Just by the time when I got to the charts, I literally missed the position by 5 minutes, and it was the only position that I saw. And that's just I don't think I've seen any more positions, or there wasn't much for Asian, but when it set up for Asian, it was pretty early. Hold on one second.
You muted, my brother.
Yo, wait a minute. How long have I been on mute? I was saying, what up, Kenny?
Just muted about 2 minutes ago.
I was saying, what up, Kenny? And I was saying, what contest did you win? And I was also saying, spot gold looks lovely here. Yeah, well, you got a ribbon over there. What is that? #1 gold trader?
Gold trader. #1 traveler. I'm out of town tomorrow. #1. Out.
W. Yeah, I was talking about spot gold here, and the 4-hour here. It's over 120 pips. So you close like this, you're heading down. You're looking for a top wick on the next hourly on spot. Very similar to us here. Damn, there's a lot of room there. Fuck. Two minutes here for the 15. Let's see what this 15 does. Like, this could drop here heavy, but if we can pull back here, we will look for some entries on the 15. That should push through. Yeah. Wanted this to pull back a bit steeper, a bit higher. Oh well. Wow, kind of predictable up here. Fuck. Huh. Yeah, I wanted an entry on the next 15 somewhere, but this kind of sucks. This 15 can pull back heavy too. Well, let's hope it doesn't flip here. That would suck. There's no entries here. I'm most likely waiting on this 1 hour 30 close. It was a good closure, yeah, but it tapped the level where the market drives straight up from. Like, I'd want a higher time frame closure. Yeah, see it flip. That sucks. That means we shouldn't really come back to this high off the next hourly unless we break this back up. Yeah, I was thinking about a sell stop right here as we started re-breaking the lows. Just doing some calculations. According to my calculations, it was worth taking that trade now. Then at this area, not so much. Tapped it on the dot. Yeah, I think the level is steeper though. Are we gonna break the 15 high here? That would be awesome if we can re-break the 15 high. Oh, people at the Zoom door. Come on in. Yeah, maybe if we were at this level with like 5 minutes to go in the hourly, but not with 15 minutes to go in the hourly. I was expecting a steeper pullback. If we were here with like 5 minutes to go, then you can say, all right, the next 5 minutes, highly unlikely the hourly comes back up and flips. Jeez. Ooh. Interesting. Rebroke the low. Why didn't it finish out the range? There we go. That made sense. Yeah, 9 minutes to go here in the hourly. I'm most likely going to wait this through. Any trades yet? Yeah, right there. Sells for 23 pips. Yeah, any position here at this point doesn't make sense. You've tapped a strong support from which you've seen bounces off before, right? And if you and if you look at the time, there's 8 minutes left in the hourly. You want to pull back to know that you have range to trade, right? You don't want to close right at the support on a heavy bearish drop, because then it's a 50-50 game. You can pull back heavy, you can continue driving heavy. What are we doing? I mean, entries now are too late. Entries should have been on the way down here. $15 top wick or a 15 rebreak of the lows. Anyone. Buy an enter on the 15 because we just got out of a trade and I was expecting a pullback here on the 30 to leave a bottom wick on the 30. we've never had a closure, right? This candle, we've never had a closure. The whole thing just drove through. And then the 15 closed, massive candle, very small wick. I was expecting the 30 to pull back further. I wanted entries a bit higher here. All good though. Check spot. Same thing. Yeah, same thing happened. We got 6 minutes for the 1 hour candle here. We're gonna look for top wick sells off the 1 hour. 6 minutes is a lot of time. Ideally, this can pull back up, but if it continues plummeting here, I mean, same analysis. We'll look for positions. 16 pip wick and spot. Yeah, in gold it was about a 15 pip bottom wick. Alright, just wanted a 30 there. Be patient, 5 minutes. Huh. $15 back to bullish, huh? Two minutes here. 2 minutes for the 1 hour.
Hey Wix, I think you're muted. I see your lips moving. I'm not too sure.
Sorry. I'm saying I need a steeper top wick. Damn, this whole time. Yeah, I'm looking for a top wick here to come up a bit higher than what we did. I mean, there's a level here, and that could be it, but that's not enough for me. That could have been it for the 4 hour. I'm sorry for the hourly. We'll see. We'll see what this does. If it comes down, it's more waiting. If it comes up, we'll have positions pretty soon. We need a rebreak out of highs. Oh, you want a steeper wick? Because that's where my levels are. I don't have a level here. There is one, but far back over there. This probably isn't it either. Just looking at historically where we've taken entries when prices come up. Right. Okay. Let it re-break the highs here. There we go. I'm gonna take a sell right there. Just took a sell. And look for another entry probably above the range here. This is irrelevant. This is irrelevant at this point. I'm gonna take a sell right there. Just took another sell. Next area for sells around 29.16. Next possible area for sells. Maybe actually a bit higher than 29.16. Let's see. Alright, right there. Just gonna take a sell right there. 29.16, right where we marked it off. What's it looking like on spot? It's a great 4-hour closure on spot. Yeah, you're looking for price to flip. Next possible entry 29.19 here. So I got 6 positions running here at this moment. And I plan on closing 5 of the 6 at around 29.12. Okay. Maybe a bit lower. All right, right there, closing 5 out of the 6 positions, and I'm gonna move stops to break even. Okay, I got 1 out of my 6 positions left here. Stops are to BE, and I'm let it rock all the way to 29.03. Okay, so everything's been closed. The only position I have open here is at 29.14.7 right here. 29.14.7 is a BE area. That's where my stops are, and there's no more risk on the table. This is us playing with house money at this point. 5 out of the 6 positions were closed, and now we're running roughly 17 pips in profit. Let's see if we can rip down to the bottom of the range, or will we break the highs? One of the two. What will you do? So, holy shit, that's a lot. I closed so far 76 pips. If this runs, this will be over 100 pips on this trade. So far, this trade, the partial closures, we've secured 76 minimum for this trade, okay? If this flips, we'll have 150 on this trade, maybe more. Let's see what happens here. Why did I have 29.12? Because that was the level of support that if we were going to touch, I was going to secure most of my position to make sure I get paid on this position. And this little runner was it, to see if we can now finish out the range down. I think 29.07 will be a full closure here if we can re-break the lows. It was solid entry, but I mean, there's a chance like we get stopped out, make a steeper top look, and then drive. But I mean, you know, that's why we're leaving a runner here. That's it. This is risk. This is either bottom of the range or break even. You know what I mean? We're running about 15 pips in profit here on a runner, and
we got a runner.
let's see. I saw on this trade about 35 on the runner, but the runner is running about 10 pips in profit now. Might get stopped out. Let's see. Let's see. Yeah. Coming up to it. Oh, we gave it a chance, right? We gave it a chance to run when there's volume here in the session. The most important thing is, this is risk free. This is like, you know, playing lottery for free now. This is house money. You can't lose here. You've secured the bacon. You know, everything else is just a cherry on top. Ah, there we go. Break even hit. All right, so 76 pips secured on that trade. Congrats, everybody. Damn. I was at over 100 for the position. Maybe I should have secured at 100, but we got to let these runners run. It's Q2 time. Where markets are going to move. Okay. Watch it run now. It literally took us out by a pip. Now it's going to run. No. Come up higher, bitch. Yeah, if you asked about why 12, because when you look here, see where the wicks come down to? So if we were going to close bullish up here, right, while we were in drawdown, that's what I was planning for. Like, right, plan A is to always plan for the worst possible situation. And we were planning, if we were going to close bullish up here, support that extends here is 29.12. So I said if we come to 29.12, that's where I'm going to secure the majority of my position, make sure I get paid here, and after that, if it runs, great. If it doesn't, we've secured bacon, and you know, we were break even. So if it came right back up, fine, no harm, no foul. We would have just moved on to the next position. W, incredible. Awesome possum. Your spot runner survived? Yeah, it barely took us out. It didn't take us out by much here. Like this right here. Where was our entry? So let's go to the 5 minute here. Look how it took us out right here. Right here. This was my break even, took us out. Now it's running again. If it flips, it should fill the bottom of the range here. But it is what it is. No complaining. Move on to the next one. Don't forget, we still have a 4-hour closure for futures here in about 45 minutes. But then again, you guys are all winners today. You're all part of the 2% of worldwide traders that won today. Congratulations. And top 2% in the world. There's something about that. I like it when we have pineapples, increases my profits. W's. Wix channel barely like a machine for printing money. Shh. Has all this trade war stuff made it difficult to trade for y'all? No. We just keep doing the same thing, right? We're not really paying attention too much to the fundamentals. They're going to be reflected here. There's no way, you know, the sentiment in the world can play out here without showing us, you know, candle movements, price movements. We have to be aware so we don't get caught in the middle of a high impact news event. But outside of that, no matter what happens in the world, it will be reflected in the way the candles print and in the levels and all that. And that's what we do. We just interpret what this says. It's just another language that we learn, right? Speak English, you speak candles. Speak Japanese. Yeah, this is like a linguistics class, chat. Might come down now. Yeah, too late for us. I don't know. Look at that 15 closure though. The 15 closed bullish. Yeah, 30's bearish. Yeah, I think it should still come down. Even if the 15 is bullish, we'd still need a bottom wick on a 15, right? So maybe the 30 will flip bearish, give you a little bit of a drive, and then reflip bullish again because the 15 is going to need to come up, make a top wick. We'll see.
W trade, by the way. Everybody drop a like, sub to the channel. It's 123 straight wins on stream. That's insane.
It's crazy. I'm like, lately I haven't even mentioned it that much because I feel like
It's not real.
At this point, people are already like trolling me about winning. Like, yeah, all right, whatever, bro.
I don't care. I'm proud of the wins that I've got in a row.
But at this point, it's just like it defeats the purpose. It's like it could be like 150 is no different than like 2,000 right now. Like, we won 2,000 in a row, and it's like, oh, all right, whatever, bro. Winning streak.
I don't care about what anybody else says. I'm very proud of how I'm doing things and winning. So I don't give a shit.
Yeah,
this is why I don't stream, because I would be yelling at everybody and telling them to go F themselves.
Yeah.
It takes a lot to do what you do. That's for sure. So I get it. But yeah, no, I'm very content with how I do my trades, and very happy for you that you
my
been very
had
successful.
a positive impact on your trading. That means I'm doing my job.
Oh yeah, no, 100%. And this is why you had so many people sign up for the inner circle, because it's not BS. You're seeing it live. You're seeing how it's happening. The signals are there. You make your money back very quickly. You're profitable quickly if you put the work together and concentrate on actually looking at the time frame. So if you're taking positions and you're taking your pineapples, you're not going to take them every 5 pips, right? You're going to look at where the resistances are, where actually rejected in the past, and then hopefully that happens. And then you trade accordingly, and you have to base it on the hour and the 4 hour as well if you're in drawdown to see where you're going to close. I mean, all that plays a factor. People just start on the charts and then they don't look at anything else, right? You got to prep in the morning. You got to give yourself a half hour, make sure that you set up your time frames, understand what you're doing, and once you're becoming a massive profitable trader like Wix, then you can do it a little faster. But other than that, I take my half hour in the morning, I mark everything, and there you go. See, now it's dropping down like crazy.
Fucker. Literally took
Yeah,
us out
it got
by
you.
a pip.
Yeah, it took you out. I closed earlier. I was just in nice profit because I took extra pineapples than you did, because it's different on spot. And
Yeah, Jay has literally
earlier,
been here for the entire winning streak, gang. The entire streak since the first win till 123 now. He's taken every single position.
Oh yeah. I never missed a day. And when my baby will be born, I'm not going to miss a day. I'm going to be trading in the hospital. I've got everything set up and ready to go.
Like, the baby's coming. No. I got CPI right now. I can't be dealing with this shit. Don't interrupt me. No. It's unemployment claims right now. Look, baby, I need you to climb back in wherever you came from, and let's redo this when I'm free.
Well, I tell my girlfriend, just make sure you give birth on a Friday. Yeah, give birth on a Friday. That way we'll spend the 2-3 days in the hospital where I don't have to trade. I'm just chilling. So, yeah. Man, we're close. Like, it should be a few days, 1 week,
word
maybe
will be
2.
NFP. Baby comes out the womb like gold.
Hey, Z22, yeah. Bro, last night in Asian was absolutely
Yo, look
insane.
at this thing. Hold on. This just did exactly what we said. We might get a bearish flip on the 30, which will create a bottom wick for that 15. And the 15 doesn't have a top wick, so we might get that flip and then reflip the 15 bullish. This is exactly what we just said is going to happen. This is hilarious.
You can't make this shit up.
You can't. It's crazy. You said the 30 is going to flip drive here a little bit and then reflip bullish because the 15 is going to need a top wick. It's exactly what the fuck it just did.
Anybody doubting? Anybody out there doubting?
Let's rewind it 5 minutes. It's literally like play by play for what's happening here. Hilarious.
Drop a like, peeps. Sub to the channel.
Yeah,
enjoy.
This shit up.
No.
The baby's coming. That's a yellow folder, not a red. Word. They got Trump speaking as more important than the baby coming. Yo, that Amazon driver is gonna be loaded with work once the baby shows up. Bro. 10 pips a day is not enough to buy diapers and milk. You need at least, I don't know, I think you need at least like 200 pips a week. Yeah, you can't be a parent without at least 200 pips a week. That should be like a prerequisite. Chat, where can I buy a really good slingshot? Do they sell slingshots with a scope? Yeah, as soon as I said slingshot, yo bitch ass shut up, right? That bird was out there. Ah! 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 Don't look at me like that, Benny. You don't like them either. Damn it. What do you want? You want a hug? You want your daily hug? Let's go. He's pushing me with his big ass paw, and his paw is like double my hand. Come on, let's go. Daily hug time. One kiss max, bro. One. All right. No. Okay. I said a kiss. You're taking us to second base, bro. This guy. I'm gonna have a rashy neck because of you. Yo, why are you so fucking cute? He put his big ass paw on my lap and it's just weighing me down. What the fuck are you doing, bro? Yo, get the fuck away from me. No, for real, get it. Say what's up. Say hi to the camera. Look what you're doing. Look what you're doing. Look what you're doing. You destroyed my desk. Look, all the papers are on the floor. Look, I'm gonna need you to step the fuck up. Back off, dog. Back up. This guy, yo. It's cute and all, but stop, bro. You're interrupting me. When you think you're gonna start trading news again, now that we've been pushing on big red folders, obviously that never moves, so that's excluded. I haven't really felt the need to. Like, I got this accountability thing to stream and to chat here to the people in here to win. Well, even if I don't owe you a win, in my head I approach this like, fuck it, I owe you a win. I'm streaming for a reason. You guys are here for a reason, right? To win. So I've kind of been a lot more selective with positions that I take. Yeah, Benny's a goofball for sure. Come here, Goofy. No, bro, that's a paper. In the last trade, how many entries I had? I had 6 entries. 6. Tighten your locks. Nice. Oh, you can tell. Yeah, hell yeah. Check this out. So much hair. I extend my arm and then they're longer than you know, me extending my arm. Look. How do you wash your hair? They got this weird shit. It's strange. I don't know if you ever heard of it. It's called water. It's a new concept, brand new concept. I mean, this is gonna change things for everybody. You got this thing called water, and then if you combine it, they got this weird thing also. It's called shampoo. You combine it, and it lathers, and it rinses, and it washes off. Bro, wait till it hits your neighborhood, bro. Yeah. Just nice, clean H2O. Indian, never heard of that? What are you doing? What is in your hair? Very, very bad. Bro, let in your water or not? All day. All day, we all about that lead. We leading the way. Hi, I'm from Malaysia. Hi, Annie. I got a goldfish. Lead in the water is better for the immunity anyway. Bro, I'm from New York. We swam in the Hudson growing up. All right? Like I got immunity for days. We swam in the, like, that's where the mob used to drop dead bodies off, you know? That'd be like normal. We grew up. We grew up over there. Capone definitely added some minerals to the Chicago waterways. Yeah. %. Hello from India, Nikhil Rajput. Are you related to Raja Rajput and Patel Rajput? Or is that's a different family?
The smoke got me. I got bronchitis.
What time is it? It's 9:30. NYC open here. I was wondering where's 9:30. We closed back in the overall range, but you see, kind of respected this area here. I don't know. NYC open There's no cells set up here. All we know is that this candle should have volume. This 30 minutes should have quite a bit of volume. But I would need it to close below this support that it now made. The only way I can trade, look, this is what it looks like now. I can, oh whoops, sorry. I can trade all this once we get there. I cannot trade in here. Once we tap this area, if we tap this area and price decides to reject that resistance and come back down from this area, that is the only way I can trade in here. Then this becomes green. This stays red. This entire area stays red. But if we can tap this area on top over here and then come down back below 29.13, then I can trade anything in here. This becomes green for me again. The entire thing here is green. But until that happens, that's for me, that's still a red area, and I need a closure below here, unless we see a rejection from up here. Capiche?
Remember it. Write it down. Take a picture. I don't give a fuck.
Press the button. Thank you. His girl plays rugby with my girl. Wait, your girl plays rugby? What the fuck do you do? Be from New Zealand? Oh, that, yeah, that explains it. All women play rugby in New Zealand, right? That's kind of crazy. That's your sport. If we close below in the green zone but inside the wicks, can we still trade it? Yes. Well, it depends. Well, we can see if there's a 5 level there, right? There's probably 5. Yeah, we can still trade it. There's no closure here. This is still clean here. Are you in a trade? No, if when I'm in a trade, you will see something like this. Something like this. You will see the risk to reward tool. God damn, look at that reversal. Why can't I delete this line? There we go. music doing? Oh, it's doing. It's doing. Anyone in buys here? We start closing above 29.22 here. We could start mapping out buys. That's an ugly 4-hour. This will get interesting. This will get really interesting if the next game, if we can close, especially above 29.22. Man, I have bottom week buys here up to 29.40. Buy a Nerf gun. You were in buys and closed. Nice. Plus 40 pip closure. W. Today's been great. You know, you start realizing that, like, well, you don't even realize it, but like more and more of great days happen, and you kind of get, you're like, all right, today's been great, and then like a week later it's been great, and then like, you know, another week later it's been great, and then all of a sudden like you had 2 great days, and then like 3, and you're like, oh, it's been pretty great, right? You kind of get used to that feeling without recognizing that you're used to that feeling. That's when you find your like comfort zone, where you stop worrying about the things that are like, you know, that are just second nature now, and you're focusing on just getting better in the markets. Claro, that's what I always hear everybody over here say. Claro, claro, claro. It's the #1 word. Oh, that's right. We got news here. We got a red folder here in 20 minutes. Abso-fucking-lutely. Orange folder in 4 minutes. Red folder in 19. Wow. 4 hours flip bullish. Interesting. Yeah, tell somebody you had a position here in this candle. They're gonna be like, oh, you caught some massive buys, huh? Got some nice dubs. Like, nope, 76 for sells. Wait, this bullish ass. Yep. Oh, claro is the same in Spanish and Portuguese. Interesting. So what time are you here? Probably till 11. Another hour, hour and a half. Yeah, we got news here in 15 minutes. You guys can chill out, do what you got to do. If you need to grab some breakfast, if you need to roll a joint, if you got to go to the bathroom, go do it now. I don't know. Go feed your hamster, whatever you got to do. I got this crutch. I got a meeting with Mary and Jane. Damn, how you get in here if the doors are closed? I feel like that's what they told Tiger Woods whenever he showed up at the golf club as a kid. Oh, you must be the delivery boy, service entrance. Yeah, 10 a.m. candle is going to be really interesting. Nice trade wicks, because you use very big stop loss, at which point you manage risk normally if it goes against you, or range 2 breakout. I don't use a stop loss, I just manage the trade manually, as you said. Or as you can see. There's no losses, there's no take profit. Just everything's done manually here. And range 2 breakouts that level can change. It's right because the market is not a static being, tool, experience, whatever it is, right? it's very dynamic. So ranges can form in the middle of a trade, and just my profit, my TB can change on. He's just saying what up. He's just saying hi. Yeah, but Benny. Yeah. Say hi, Benny. Go. Go, go. He's like, no. Yeah, ranges can change with every candle, with every 5-minute candle. You know? Benny said hi. Got a new pool guide. I don't think the old one wants to come anymore. He saw Benny, he was like, Yeah, same shit, different toilet seat, you know how it is. Surviving, you know, surviving a day. It's mad funny. He walked in here with like the same headset that I got for streaming, for gaming. He walked in here with like a gaming headset. It's funny. I don't know why he's got a gaming headset on. Yeah, facts, especially when I'm in a pineapple, depending on what forms will tell me to hold and profit or close B. Like, yeah, it's very dynamic. Your breakdown could change, and what you're looking for could change within one candle printing, right? It's just with a candle closure. So I have an idea of where I would be wrong as candles start printing. And we've spoken about this years ago, like going back 2-3 years, we used to talk about this, that like eventually we're just not going to trade with stops, because we're going to get to a point where, right, where like eventually we used to make fun of people with cowboy entries, right? Oh, you didn't wait for the flip, or you didn't wait. Now, because we understand the dynamics of the market a lot better, right? Everything's become a lot more intuitive, right? It's like second nature, and it's just I don't know. We've been able to get better in entries, and we also say eventually we'll just trade with no stops, because it's going to be so dynamic. It's going to be a point of mapping out a stop, because it's all going to change within a candle or two. Spoke about it yesterday in our session. It was a good one. Yeah, yesterday ended up being a really good inner circle session. I think one of the best ones. Fuck, I didn't drop the recording. But to be fair, I didn't get home till late, and then when I got home, there was a lot of stuff I was doing behind the scenes. I'm testing a new bot, new signals bot, and we had Papa Trump giving a speech yesterday, and you know what, me, how can I not watch a joint session, right? Trump addressed the joint session. Right. So I was ready with my joints. I was like, shit, joint in session. You feel me? For the record, I know where is that WhatsApp to you in the morning. Okay. Yeah, they kicked the dude out yesterday. What's his name? I forgot his name. He's not important.
Yeah, his name is Al Green. He's a congressman,
Green,
woke
there we go,
Democrat.
Congressman Green. Nancy kept twitching? No, she kept fucking grinding her teeth like she was on fucking diet pills. You notice that shit? She keeps grinding her teeth or biting the inside of her cheek or whatever fuck she was doing. But it looked like a still shot. It looked like two still frames that kept switching back and forth where her teeth were like at separate angles. Yeah, I call her Grandma Death. Because she Grandma Death. You guys ever seen the movie Donnie Darko? There's a character in there, an old lady. Her name was Grandma Death. She was on cocaine? I don't know, but you know when old people start putting on makeup and it starts like getting, like the makeup gets wrinkly and crispy. It looks like fried makeup. Like it makes your skin look like a salt flat somewhere out in Utah. The only one who had balls to protest? What was he protesting? The fact that we're gonna have cheaper gas prices, that we're saving money. What was there to protest? The fact that he was honoring a rape victim and a child with cancer. What the fuck what were you gonna protest? There was like literally nothing to protest. We got rid of the illegal. We got rid of extra spending in the government, right? We're not gonna fund fucking gender surgeries for prisoners in Somalia anymore. Boo! What the fuck are you protesting? I can see if he came out and he was like, all right, we've sold out of Trump ties. All right, boo, fine. Well, what was there to protest? Just me or would Pelosi get it? You're shot, bro. You know what? She was actually not bad when she was like younger, like back in the 17th century. She was not bad. It's definitely you, M. Thompson. Just you. It was some people look at Victoria's Secret, some people look at the Congress. She could get it. You need a fucking calendar, the Congress calendar. The chicks of Congress. Yo, did you see Miss February? Nancy P. Yeah, I got posters of Nancy P all over the bedroom. Oh, shit, it's hump day. Hump day! Yep, makeup was literally created to make up for a lack of aesthetics. Nah, you know, God created man, and man was perfect. So then God created a woman, and then he was like, fuck it, I'll just create some makeup. Damn, I fucked that one up. Let me just create some makeup here. Patch things up. Yeah. How can I worship? A warship is a military boat. I don't worship Trump. He just, like, I prefer what's best for my pocketbook, and Trump is really good for my pocketbook. And he's a fucking gold mine for the trading industry. So, shit. Give me cheap gas and mean tweets, and I'm all about it. Oh, shit. I'll take cheap gas and mean tweets all day. It's delicious. Green don't know what he's talking about. These are banging. Not messing with you, man. Yeah, we should. None of us should really be attached to a certain leader emotionally, right? Like, you got to think of it in terms of how does it affect you and your pocketbook, and at the end of the day, are you better off? Do what's best for you. If everybody just did what's best for them instead of focusing on everyone else, we would be way better off. "30 seconds for ISM services, PMI. People at the Zoom door, you kneel. Come on in. Yeah, full house in the Zoom today. A lot of A's in the Zoom. AA twice. Yeah. All right, here we go. News drop. Bottom wick. Didn't really close above here. So price action wise, I'm not looking for entries there. That's interesting though. This is a good level. So, good news for the dollar. Bad news for gold. We should see gold drop. ¿Qué pasó? Come on, gold. Re-breaking twice. What are you going to do? Up or down? News says down. But price action here shows up. What's it going to do? Nowhere. Yeah, these are mad funny. These little YouTube emotes. It's hilarious. You're all the A's with just another device. Oh, I thought you were out there selling the link to my Zoom. Damn. We're only 2 minutes into news here, but it's a nice catalyst. I think we should pop. Let's go. Let's go, Doge on them. Jay just wants to kick everybody out. Jay wants to ban 500 people so it could be a one-on-one session. Jay getting rid of sniping people in the Zoom in the YouTube chat just quietly, like, out.
No, I'm a nice guy, honestly. I just hate people that are leechers.
Oh yeah,
and moochers.
Yeah,
and people that are thieves. I just can't deal with it. I just can't. I mean, it's goddamn free, for fuck's sakes. I mean,
I'm a nice guy. I fucking hate everybody, but I'm a nice guy.
I am. If you don't get on my bad side. No, I just can't stand people that take advantage, that cheat, that steal. You know, we're all adults here.
You basically hate yourself 20 years ago. That's all it is.
Yeah.
I'm the same way, bro. I think of myself 20 years ago, and I'm like, I really have no respect for that person.
Oh, and I don't understand how I haven't died back when I was younger with the amount of stupid shit I've done.
Bro.
I mean, it's insane.
I think anyone that grew up in a big city feels like that.
Yeah. I mean, today is a different type of world, but, you know, much more dangerous, but still, I mean, I'm a completely different man than I was back then, and that's normal. Men need to adjust and change over time and better themselves, so it makes sense that it's happening this way. So whoever's stealing, whoever's trying to sell Zoom links or anything like that, bro, you're not only going to get people out, but you might get banned. Yeah, but some people might be doing that, so don't risk it. Don't risk it.
They said power trip, Jay.
The ace of trades. All right, my man.
Great job, Wix. You're doing a good job. I know you since back in April 23. W, appreciate that. Thank you.
Hey.
The ace of trades. He said, just kidding. Oh, he trying not to get banned. He trying to walk things back right now. So just kidding. Please let me keep my YouTube subscription. Hold on. Benny, come here. No, he's gonna bark at it. He's gonna try to bite it. Come on. Come on. It's water, bro. Dumbass. Come on. All right, get inside. Yo. Damn. Yo, can you shut up, bro? It's water. I brought him inside. The pool guy out there just pouring the thing into there. Now he walking around with the big basket thing, just cleaning the bottom of the pool. Benny not having it. He's just barking at that stick. Why gold pushing up? Good point. See, if you're just trading fundamentals here, you're getting burned. Good news, we should be pushing down, but you would see that reflected. You got to trade what you see, not what you think. Or not your interpretation, not your predictions, not what you want to see. You trade what's there in front of you. A lot of times you'll talk yourself into a position because you so strongly believe in what you expect. And it's irrelevant. That got him tight. Benny's sitting there just breathing hard as hell right now. Yo, if you don't shut up, you're gonna get zapped. Yo. Yo, I swear, all I had to do was just touch the cone, the plastic cone, and he ran to his spot. I just touched the little cone that goes on his head, and he ran to it. He's so smart. I'm gonna bring the cone back. Yo, you're getting the cone. Watch, I'm just gonna touch it and he's gonna shut up. Oh, you don't like the cone, huh? You don't like the cone. Stop barking then. Hey. He's licking me. Please, not the cone. Yo, again? Sky. What happens when you execute a trade in less than 5 minutes in prop firms? Depending on the prop firm. Depends on the prop firm. My prop firm, or the one you see on top of here, top one has a 5-minute rule, but big things on the horizon this month, so stay tuned. He wants to come inside the room? No, he's sitting right in front of me on the other side, right behind the screens, on the other side of this desk, sitting staring out this glass door where the pool guy is cleaning the pool. Filled the range up. But didn't break the highs. Didn't close above. Not yet. We're saying there's big things on the rise of Top One Trader? Yes. From my conversations with them, yes. Somebody texted me they didn't get a payout from Top One Trader. I saw your message because it got relayed to me, but I didn't have time to really look at it. So no clue what's going on there, but reach out to their support. I mean, they answer pretty quickly. Create a ticket with them. 20 pips. The lag killed me. That's a great name. Absolutely. I don't know, this is the first 15 of the news. They're kind of whipsawed here. Which tells me that if news couldn't drive us out of this range, we might range here throughout the session. Right? If the catalyst, if the high volume couldn't drive you out of the range, is the lower volume going to do it? I don't know. But we have no more catalyst in terms of news to drive the market, and we're really all about our next catalyst for volume would be London close at 11. Until 11 there should be volume. After that, if we're still in this range, I would advise you guys to close out your terminals, go enjoy your day, and come back here tomorrow. So let's just be patient. We'll see what happens. Yeah, we're talking like a month or two. That was a 15 closure here. Huh. So it's made a top wick here. Couldn't come up. It's gonna try to come down. If it fails at this support and start re-breaking highs, it's got nowhere else to go. Well, it's 40 pips to the top of the range. But this bottom wick has got to be off of support, not this. Somewhere down here. That might be it. That's not enough of a bottom wick here for me. I don't know. What, bro? What? It's just water. What? Alright, come here, come here, come here. You want a hug? What do you want? I don't understand. You want a hug? Water's pissing you off? Come on. This guy. It's you, bro. It's you. He ran away from himself. Clean range up. I just needed that bottom wick steeper. The 5 kind of grabbed it already, right? The previous 5 tapped that area. But then it closed bearish. Why didn't it just flip and drive?
Outside med det! Nå får du inside! Outside med det!
Benny licked me, now I'm all itchy. Ass licker. Or butt licker. What did Jay say yesterday? Books, you want to take 15-minute buys right there if we had a steeper lower wick? Yeah. But why were those buys valid? I spoke about these buys, right? If we tap this area, it's a range 2 breakout closure above here. If you could go back in the stream, like I discussed it earlier, I don't remember when, but at this point, range 1, range 2, and a closure above here, it's a range 2 breakout, right? All I needed was just this 15. Right, you formed a resistance above here, came down in range, closed back up above the most recent, all perfect. Yeah, I just need this wick here to have come down to 29, 23 areas, and then we would have been in there. But it did not. It made a small bottom wick, came up here, and the issue was that that 5 before the closure already played out that support. If we go back to the 5, like so, this is where I was looking to take an entry. There. And if we go back to the 5, we were waiting for this bottom wick here on the 15, but before this 15 that we needed closed, that's where it grabbed orders. If you go back on the 5, you see that 5 bottom wick came down right to that area, tapped it, and then it just never came back to it because it never needed to come back to it. It was just, that was going to be the bottom wick. That's it. Timing was just off by about 5 minutes. It happened 5 minutes sooner. If it happened 5 minutes later, we'd be in there. But those things matter. Timing matters here. So. How many times should an entry work in backtesting in order for it to be valid? Thousands. Thousands of times. Wix was 100% correct when he said March would be an explosion. Yeah, I said March, April will be the time. I said March, April, May would be the time to supercharge your accounts. This is the time where you should be taking advantage of it. Yeah, the rest of the year you're making money, right? But March, April, May is the time to really supercharge your accounts. You know what's funny? Market Mechanics last year, same time, told me the same thing. He's like, man, you were right. March, April, this was the time to really turn it up. Said the same thing last year. So that was a 30 closure, 10:30 here. That's a good closure. Need a bottom wick here. Ha. LOL. Very funny, gold. Very funny. Why April and March are bad months for trading? How did you get that out of what I was saying? We said it's really the time to supercharge your accounts. Those are great months for trading. The best months of the year for trading. April has been by far, for 3 years in a row now, my most profitable month. April and December have been my 2 most profitable months the last 3 years. Sorry, my bad, I was in the hallway and still don't know. Those are the best months for trading. That's where the most volume throughout the year happens, Q2. Got a pack of U-Haul, hope everyone ends green. Yeah, but unloading is very easy. You know what you do? You floor it in reverse to wherever you're going, and then you slam on the brakes, but make sure you have the back open, right? And then everything just exits out. Quick exit. We needed a bottom wick here on this 32. It didn't happen, just drove through. So maybe a closure up here. We don't just want a closure above this range. We want a heavy push right now up into this range. Right? It's about 80 pips. 80 pips on the dot, actually. We want a heavy push up and a pullback. I want a steep wick to be left for us to fill. Well, actually, hold on. Let's look at it. Let's look at it if it was a sell. Probably looking for a break of these wicks to the left. Right, if it's a sell here, you're looking fish out the range 29.40. Gotta be careful here. This 15 can't flip. It can flip bullish, but we can't be in here because it can flip bullish. Flip bearish, actually. I'm sorry. Upside down. Yeah, you see, we created this wick. This previous candle didn't fill the wick, closed within it. Now we don't have a bottom wick on this candle. There's a chance we tap this resistance and flip bearish on this very candle. And how do we avoid that? Well, we wait for this candle to close and see if it can close above the range, or if this level will flip it bearish. This is going to be high impact level here. From here, you will see a heavy push up or a heavy push down from this area, from 29.32. Problem is we can't guess here, up or down. We have to wait for it to tell us where it's going, and then we'll hop in. And when I say we, I mean me, myself, and I, right? And this stream is for educational purposes only. And there's no we, it's just you, me, and everyone else in the chat, right? Right, good. Later, Sam. See ya, see ya, see ya. Later. What's in breakfast? That's a good question. Probably dry scoop some protein. Yo, Dymatize needs to sponsor this stream. Damn, you can see it on cam. Yeah, Benny done got me good right here. Not hugging you no more till you cut your nails, bro. Yep, we need this to break above. Close above. Protein shake, maybe one more trade, Jim. Sounds like a plan. Yo, Green, do you eat first thing in the morning, or do you have a protein shake first thing after water? Do you have a, like, my first meal is technically a protein shake. I have a shake before I eat. Depends. Oh yeah, it's my favorite underwear. You like to eat at night?
Hey, Rick, I want to say thank you. Sorry.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm done. I just still tired. Made a lot of money, so thank you very much. Yeah, I mean,
Nice.
last night and today was just insane. So thank you. Thanks, Chump. Thanks, everything. And I will see you in the signals in the Asian session.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, everybody. Have a great day.
That's the
Don't
first
forget to
time
like
Jay
this
before
up.
me. Yeah. Later,
Take care,
bro.
everybody. Peace.
Good job. Six minutes here for this 15 to close. So when I run out of food, I go to bed. That's wild. cutting now. What are you doing? Cutting spending? I can't work like this, chat. This guy is really unbelievable right now. You see this? This is how I work. Benny? What are you doing? Not letting me work, bro. Yeah, he's big head. This is what's key here. The break of this level. There's nothing below there. We might actually have positions here if we re-break the lows. Let's see if there's anything there on the 5. This is interesting. 5 closed below, and now you're coming up for a top wick to start off this 5. Yeah, I wouldn't trust this closure just yet. But if it flips, man. Let's go back. It's just tough because of this level here to the left. It's clean above it. It only looks good on the 5. It doesn't look great on any other time frame. Anyone touches you or the girl's been eating them up 100%. Like you cannot you cannot approach me or anyone in my family when he's next to us. You can't approach us at speed. Like you can't run at us. You can't be all excited walking up to me because he'll fucking lose his mind. Why do I want that white level to break? Because that's the extent of the wicks right there. And over here, right, wicks are ranges, and this whole area right here, this is 29 pips, 30 pips of just, yeah, it's 30 pips of straight, of just clean move. So anything above here should just pop really fast for about 30 pips. Anything above that white line. But like I said, 5 is the only thing that shows you that we're going to come up here. It's the only thing that closed above. 15 in here in 2 minutes, and we really want to see that closure through. Do you also have some journal stream stats of the Asian session that Eddie's doing? I don't know. You gotta ask Eddie. I don't know what he's doing, to be honest. I know he's doing well. I know he's streaming and he's winning, but I'm not exactly sure like what else is going on there. How do you flip chart? Alt-I. Mr. Dio Leo's out. Wait, hold on. Damn, more than half of you dipped? Hold on. Before you guys dip, first of all, spam some dubs. We got 99 pips here on stream today. Spam some motherfucker. Actually, before you spam some dubs, you know what? I gotta record this. Alright, now you can spam dubs. Let's fucking go. Hell yeah. Let's go. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you for the dubs. You're welcome for the dubs, and thank you for the dubs. See, I mean, if this hourly can close us outside the range, great. I mean, I'll still look for positions. We got to close above here. If we just reject and we stay in here, then. So this is my first time in here. What chart we looking at on TradingView? April gold futures. Yes, this is gold futures exactly. You're pretty late. We're about to have our last hurrah. We're waiting for this 1 hour closure here in 12 minutes to see if we're able to close above. But welcome. Drop a like, sub to the channel. We are 99 pips in profit here for the day. We have won 123 straight trades. Oh, the record's off. The record's wrong. We didn't add the last W on there. Win number 437. Okay, it'll be up next time. Well, yeah, make sure you sub to the channel and turn on your notifications, right? If you turn on your notifications, you will get a notification whenever I'm streaming. That's just how things work. This way you don't miss any sessions. But we stream every single day, live, 8 a.m. Eastern. All right, so just show up. Let's get really interesting here. Old music was good, yeah, but old music is now copyright music, right? It's not copyright free no more. Harris Heller gave us the boot. Word. And to think I was thinking about inviting him. That asshole. Do you stop at 11 because of pullback hour? No, there's just the, like, we do the overlap, the peak of New York volume, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. and that's all you need. You don't need. We set up for multiple positions a day in just those 2-3 hours. You don't need any more. The rest of the day you should be. The rest of the time you should be out there enjoying your day or building something non-trading related, or not chart related, maybe in trading, whatever you're doing. Put yourself in a position to succeed, right? If our strategy is based on volume, I'm going to trade the volume times. If I'm sounding redundant, it's a good thing. Where are you planning to invest from, Millie? I got this new investment. It's called Family. I don't know if they have it on the NASDAQ yet. The best investment vehicle in terms of returns on your investment. It don't change me much. I'm still gonna go out to Walmart and grab my $3 wife beater and my $10 shorts. And you're definitely not gonna see me at a Louis store. That's a fact. You're definitely not gonna see me at a strip club. That's a fact. Definitely not gonna see me popping bottles at the club. What's your house current rent? A lot, but it's less than the one I rent out. I was angry at you for changing the playlist, but now enjoying it. Bangers? Yeah, I think there's quite a few bangers on this list too. Arbitrage. Basically, yeah. Told you, whatever happens at this area, up or down, it's going to be a heavy push from that area. Not going to range there. Calling it. I'm going to see what we're doing here in 4 minutes. Remember what I said before, that if that this whole thing, remember? We were down here. So if you go back in stream, we said this area was untradeable unless we pull up to here. Because if we reject off this area and come down, now this becomes us driving off a higher time frame resistance. This becomes green. Before tapping this area, this was red as we were in the somewhere here. But now that we've tapped this area, if we come down and we're able to close, right, if we're able to close below the range here and with a wick, the range to fill, we're looking for top wick entries to finish out the range down. But you need this closure below closure below 29.22 on the futures chart. And if we're going to go up, we're going to need to break above here to continue with structure, to see that we're not going to range, that we have volume, right? Well, because the closure outside the range will be an indication of volume. If there wasn't enough volume, we just would not close outside the range, aka what is happening now. Not enough volume, we're not closing outside the range. This closure tells us there's enough volume to drive us out and close above it. There should be enough volume to finish it out. It's an anorexic candle. Yeah. Whenever I'm out in public, like these two are always best friends. You ever notice that? These two candles always chill together in public. Best friends right here. One minute. Yeah, it doesn't look like much. Doji candle to Jesus candle to holy candle. Doji candle to holy candle. One big lace in the other one too. 40 seconds here, chat. Yeah, I think we're gonna call it here. It's ranging. It's not driving here anywhere. Let's call it a session. I'll be back here tomorrow, 8 a.m. sharp. We will be trading in the signal channel tonight. I'm gonna call it a New York session because I gotta run. So I'm running out the house. I'm probably not calling any trades in the signal channel for the rest of the New York session. But Asian session is a different story. I'll be on for Asian. I will be trading. We will be trading in the signal channel tonight and tomorrow morning. So make sure you're locked in. If you're part of the signal channel, I'll see you tonight in Asian. Zoom gang, let's do a little flex. Hold on, we haven't done a flex in a while. Oh, one more. Oh, yeah, get that blood flowing. Yeah, candy flexing. Number one flexer. That's what that little ribbon for. I see it. W. All right. Yeah, Zoom gang. I'll see you in the clubhouse side. Mods, thank you again for helping me around the stream. As always, signal channel. See you guys tonight for Asian. Everybody else, chat, love and wisdom to you all. Appreciate you guys showing up and showing support. And congrats to everybody that took those dubs with us. Drop a like before you dip. Sub to the channel. Go follow our IG. We're going to give away 2 25K accounts on Friday. So make sure you're commenting on all my reels on IG to be entered. And I think that's it. You guys already know the deal. As for me, my time here is up. And just like that, another New York session is in the books. Enjoy your day, everybody. Later.